What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kamarina back on your screen, and today I'm going to be making slime. So first I'm going to use this, and then now I'm going to be adding the glue. Ooh, it's heavy. Oh. Ooh. Okay, now I'm going to put, it's right here, so now I'm going to put this in here. Now I'm going to put some of this in. Okay. Okay. So I got it now, so now I'm about to be doing it. Oh, that's cute. This bitch. Y'all, this color is turning blue. How is it turning out blue when this is... Well, I need to put a little bit more in it because it's not transforming. That was a coat that had been in one of my sister's closets for probably 2 or more years. And he put this on. I don't know what happened to my coat. Anybody know what I put this coat on? And the other sister saw me with it on and had a shit ass fit and wanted her coat. And they ain't never wore it. And this coat has been about... Ooh. And I'm always giving stuff away. Whoa, y'all, this slime is too thick. I gotta put a little bit more. I should have did it with the borax, because I got borax too, y'all. But I just didn't use my borax. Ooh. Y'all, I'm just getting the glue out the crease. Y'all, look at this. I'm trying to get it out the corners and stuff, but yeah. That's basically how you make slime, and yeah, but this is cute. Y'all, thanks for watching, but hope y'all like the video, and I'll be doing more slime videos. I'll be doing a slime collection when I make a lot of slimes. So yeah. Y'all, I'm trying to get it all at the creases, the glue that's left all at the creases of the pencil pouch. So yeah, I'm gonna do it with this. The only reason I'm doing the pencil pouch is because I don't want to get in trouble for using what's that called? For using the what's that called? For using the materials, but that we gotta eat out of. And I never should have just used this, because we got paper forks from Thanksgiving. From when we had Thanksgiving, we got paper forks, but I didn't use it. So that's why. bought. This slime is sky blue. This is the slime. And yeah. I'm about to try to place it on the ground to see if it's real sticky. And by the way, my ground is not dirty. Oh man, look what I just did. Ooh. I'm about to just knead it, y'all. So yeah, this is very, very sticky. I'm just kneading it, just kneading it. I'll be right back. I'm about to show my grandma this slime that I just made. So yeah. So what's up, y'all? I'm back. I had to go show her. Yeah, she bought this. My grandma bought this today. Yeah, right when I came from school. Because I came from school late because I had tutoring. So yeah, I had math tutoring today. So I came from tutoring late. So yeah. Like,